Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a web receipt on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the main screen, tap on the activity icon, which looks like a clock. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent transactions. Find the transaction for which you need a web receipt and tap on it to open its details. Depending on your app version, you will either see a web receipt button at the bottom or need to tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. If you see three dots, tap on them to open a menu with multiple options. Select Web Receipt. Once selected, Cash App will open a browser on your device, displaying the web receipt for the chosen transaction. From here, you can either share the receipt link using your browser's sharing options or download the receipt directly to your device. So that's basically how you can get a web receipt on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.